raining, it's boring, the old man is still snoring. In his new album, the old man is back, and these snores are anything but a bore. From the artist who brought you classics like Honk Shoe, and Snark, Me, come new hits like Ronk, Pup, Zzz, Woo, and Zoo. He's the king of snooze jazz, and in his new album, Old Closed Eyes is back with new tracks like the instant hit, Grumble, Grumble, Smack, Smack, Smack. These fresh favorites will be great for just closing your eyes for a second. 3 p.m. on a Sunday with the TV on. Sleep apnea in the dead of night. Hour 3 of a transcontinental flight. Sharing a hotel room with your entire family. And post-coital napping. Plus, you'll hear new versions of old tracks with new collaborations. Like Honk Shoe, Honky Tonk Shoe, featuring country singer Billy Bob Corncob.
Honk, honky shoe, my honky, honky shoe.
Oh yeah! It's raining, it's pouring, it's so good you won't want to wake up in the morning. Plus, we have new tracks like this instantly famous I Will Snore On featuring Sleeping Dion. Dancing with this immediate classic.
Shoot, whatever you do, I believe.
Just a dream.
Available wherever you find the dark and supple embrace of nighttime upon the sky.